Hey guys, it's Jen, Not a Real Farm. So we are at the point now where we've received a hydro bill because it's been long enough now that we've had the boiler connected, at least I think a month. And I wanted to give it that time so that we were able to see if A, is it even worth installing a boiler, and B, does it really save me any money? So I've redacted, of course, my personal information, but I wanted to share this with you. So let me get close to the numbers. So the date issued was February the 11th. The amount due is $174. And I had a credit, so it's $183. But my previous balance was $341. So it went from $341 a month, and that's using my electricity for my heating, all the way down to $183, and of course I had a credit of $838, so it brings my amount due down to $174. So essentially, if I didn't have that credit, we'd be looking at an electrical bill of $183.34. So that is a significant difference in the cost of electricity than what I was paying before, relying solely on just having the furnace circulating the air and having the electric furnace on, heating up when the wood stove died down. So after having 31 days, I'll just show you here. So this bill period goes from January the 7th to February the 7th for 31 days. And that gave us some time to really understand if this boiler is going to save us money. We now only owe $183.34. So I wanted to share that with you guys so you could see that we are saving money. And in terms of hydro, even with the labor, even with the install costs, and even with all the things and the struggles that we're going through in terms of just really getting to know our boiler and really understanding how to make it work for this house and the size of this house with the square footage, it really actually saved us a lot of money. Basically cut the bill almost in half. Anyways, guys, just wanted to share that with you. See you soon.